Do you want to attract positive energy and abundance into your life? If you're nodding your head, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a unique concept that can pave the way for positivity and prosperity: decluttering and energy cleansing. It's more than just a spring cleaning spree. It's about aligning your home with your current energy. Picture your home as a living entity, mirroring your inner self. When it's cluttered with items that no longer resonate with you, it can block the flow of positive energy. By removing these items, you're not just tidying up, you're creating a harmonious environment that supports positive transformations. In this journey, we'll be focusing on 5 key items to eliminate from your house. These include outdated clothes and items, broken objects, improperly maintained shoes, and objects associated with departed loved ones. Each of these categories holds a significant role in energy regulation, and by addressing them, you can invite magic into your life. In the next few minutes, you will discover the key items to remove from your home to invite positivity and prosperity. Firstly, consider the clothes and items that no longer resonate with your current energy. It might be that shirt you haven't worn in years, or those books you've outgrown. These items, while they might hold sentimental value, are cluttering your space and, in a way, your life. Imagine your home as a mirror of your life. Each item in it represents a part of you, your interests, your experiences. But as we grow and change, so do our interests. What once brought you joy might not do so anymore. And that's okay. It's a part of life. But holding on to these items creates a stagnant energy that hinders your growth and progress. Now think about the benefits of letting these items go. Not only will you have a more organized and clutter-free space, but you will also feel lighter, more focused, and ready to embrace new opportunities. Clearing out old items can be a therapeutic process. It's like shedding off a layer of your past, making space for the new, the current, the resonant. But before you start filling up those donation boxes, take a moment to express your gratitude for each item. Yes, it might sound a little strange, but hear me out. These items have been a part of your life. They've served their purpose. By expressing gratitude, you acknowledge their value and bid them a heartfelt farewell. This process not only brings closure, but also helps attract positive energy into your life. Remember, the goal is not to purge your home ruthlessly, but to mindfully create a space that reflects your current self, a space that nurtures your growth, inspires your creativity, and supports your journey. Remember, by making room in your physical space, you also create room in your life for new positive experiences and opportunities. Secondly, it's time to bid farewell to broken items. Now you might be thinking, why should I say goodbye to my busted lamp or cracked vase? Well, let me explain. Broken items, believe it or not, act as energy blockers. They create a stagnant atmosphere in your home, disrupting the flow of positive energy. It's like trying to run a race with a sprained ankle. You're not going to get very far, are you? The same principle applies to your home. Broken items hinder the circulation of good vibes, causing an imbalance in your living environment. So, what should you do about these broken items? It's simple. Say goodbye to them. But it's not just about tossing them in the trash. It's about expressing gratitude for the service they provided while they were still functional. This is a crucial step in enhancing the energy flow in your home. Perhaps that broken lamp illuminated many late-night study sessions or family game nights. Maybe that cracked vase held a bouquet of flowers from a loved one. Each broken item in your home has a story, and by expressing gratitude, you acknowledge and honor these stories. Remember, nothing lasts forever. Every item has a lifespan, and it's okay to let go when the time comes. By saying goodbye with gratitude, you're not only decluttering your home, but also making space for new items that resonate with your current energy. Decluttering is not just a physical process, but an emotional one as well. It's about releasing the old to make way for the new. And saying farewell to broken items is a big part of this process. It's a symbolic gesture that signifies your readiness to welcome fresh energy into your life. By removing these energy blockers, your home becomes a vessel for positivity and abundance. So, let's get started. Say goodbye to those broken items and say hello to a harmonious, clutter-free home. Thirdly, maintaining your shoes can surprisingly affect the energy in your home. Now, this may sound a little odd at first, but think about it. Shoes are the very things that connect us to the ground. They carry us through our daily lives, protect our feet, and in a way, they're our constant companions. So it's only reasonable that we give them the care they deserve. But how exactly does maintaining your shoes contribute to the overall energy in your home, you might ask? Well, let's delve a little deeper. Shoes, like any other item, absorb and hold on to energy. If they're dirty or in a state of disrepair, they can harbor stagnant negative energy, and bringing that energy into your home is the last thing you want. Cleaning your shoes regularly helps to rid them of this stagnant energy. By removing the dirt and grime, you're not just making your shoes look better, you're also energetically cleansing them. This can have a subtle but noticeable impact on the energy within your home. It's a simple act, but one that can make a world of difference. Likewise, regular maintenance goes a long way. Repairing worn-out soles, replacing broken laces, or polishing them to a shine not only extends the life of your shoes, but also keeps their energy vibrant and positive. Each time you repair or spruce up your footwear, you're essentially rejuvenating their energy, and by extension, the energy they bring into your home. Moreover, maintaining your shoes shows respect for your belongings. It's a way of expressing gratitude for the support they provide, and this act of gratitude further contributes to a positive energy flow. Remember, positivity breeds positivity. So the next time you come home and kick off your shoes, take a moment to clean them off. Maybe even schedule a regular shoe maintenance day. It's a small task that can yield big benefits. A well-kept pair of shoes not only boosts your confidence, but also helps maintain the positive energy flow in your home. Fourthly, letting go of objects associated with departed loved ones can be a challenging but necessary step. It's human nature to hold on to physical reminders of those who have left us. However, it's crucial to understand that these items, while precious, can sometimes act as barriers to new energy and growth. Allow me to explain. Objects associated with departed loved ones often carry a heavy emotional charge. They can anchor us in the past, preventing us from fully embracing the present. This isn't about forgetting the ones we've lost, but about understanding that their memory resides within us, not within the objects they left behind. Now you might ask, how does letting go of these items benefit us? Well, just as a tree must shed its old leaves to make room for new ones, we too need to create space in our lives for fresh energy. By letting go of objects that no longer serve us, we're not only decluttering our physical space, but also our emotional and spiritual realms. This, in turn, allows new experiences, relationships, and opportunities to flow into our lives. Letting go can be a deeply healing process. It's about acknowledging the pain of loss, but also recognizing the need for growth and renewal. It's about expressing gratitude for the love and joy these objects once brought us, and then bidding them farewell with grace and dignity. Remember, every item you release is a step forward in your journey of personal growth and transformation. It's an act of self-care, a declaration that you're open to the possibilities of the future. It's about creating an environment that's conducive to positivity and abundance. While it's important to cherish memories, it's equally important to make room for new experiences and energy. Finally, keeping your home organized and clutter-free is the fifth crucial step. A neat and tidy space doesn't just look good, it feels good. It's about creating an environment that allows you to breathe, to think clearly, and to foster positive energy. Imagine it as setting the stage for abundance to flow in your life. By opening windows, we invite fresh energy into our homes, sweeping away the stagnant and making room for the new. It's like giving your space a breath of fresh air, a reset. Adding plants is another beneficial step. They breathe life and vitality into any room, and their natural beauty can soothe and uplift the spirit. Let's recap what we've learned. By eliminating old clothes and items, saying goodbye to broken items, maintaining our shoes, and letting go of objects tied to departed loved ones, we make room for new energy and growth. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's an energy cleanse, a reset button for your life. It's about saying thank you and goodbye to the old, and hello and welcome to the new. The benefits are far-reaching, from the tangible, like a cleaner space, to the intangible, like a clearer mind and a lighter spirit. By implementing these steps, you can create a harmonious environment that supports positive transformations and invites magic into your life.